Hi ladies, hey Julie here, and it has been a little while since I did a makeup video. So I'm heading off to an appointment this morning. I'm gonna just do my makeup quick, show you how easy it is. Today, I'm going to be using for my base, I'm gonna be using our Aqua BB, it's called Daily Aqua BB Cream from Wiemann. And then I'm going to use 2 shades of their 4D cushion. And then I'll use some colors from my Saint makeup palette. It's summer here in Iowa, and typically most of my clients wear minimal makeup in the summertime. Maybe that's you all the time. At any rate, I want to show you how easy it is using the BB cream from Wiemann. Okay, this is basically serving as a primer for me, but it just also gives your skin such a nice glow. And then I'm going to take 2 shades. So I'm going to take the shade, first of all, called, make sure I don't have my glasses on, Light. All right, the Light. And then I'm going to also use the, this one is the Natural Beige. I'm going to use the sponge. You can also use a brush. I'm going to put it on my fingers like this. And then I'm going to dip. First of all, I'm going to just put this into the makeup and put it down the middle of my face like this, okay? I'm not going to blend yet, okay? So you can see this is a little bit light. So I like to use 2 shades. Then I'm going to take that same sponge, press it down into that palette, put a little bit here at my forehead and at my cheekbones. Almost like contouring, but not really, okay? And then I'm just gonna blend it in, okay? So I'm gonna blend, just kind of blend it in with the sponge. You can also use, you could use your fingers. I think the sponge or a brush gives a better blend. And I'm not gonna do, I'm doing this in real time, so I'm not gonna speed it up or slow down or do any cuts or edits on this video, okay? So this is just, it's like an extension of skincare, really. It's kind of a mix of skincare, powdery foundation, liquid foundation, all in one, but it's really weightless. And you can see how nice that is. And just, I mean, my skin doesn't feel tacky or anything. I could layer this and make it a little bit heavier if I want, but it's a casual day for me. I'm heading to a doctor's appointment and then I'm doing strawberries. So I'm not doing a whole lot. Now, I've already done my 1 cone of mascara. I'm gonna do another coat just so I can show you this. I'm using the Saint makeup line of mascara. This is the Lash Leather. It's like liquid lash extensions if you're using that. I really like this new mascara, and it's not clumpy. Hit my bottom ones just real quick. Okay, so again, I'm kind of using just a casual look today, so I'm going to take my 3D, my detail brush from Saint, and I'm going to take and use a color called Fig, because I got a wine jacket on this morning, just always wearing a jacket, because when you go into offices, restaurants, wherever, it's usually chilly. And I love this little swing jacket from Saint. It's just a really lightweight jacket that is easy to toss in your purse. You can wad it up and throw it in your purse. Anyway, I'm supposed to be talking about makeup. All right. Now, yes, my cheeks look a little dark right now. Okay, I'm going to let it soak in and then blend it in a little bit more. But I don't want to blend it away too much, because this cream makeup from Saint soaks into your skin. I'm going to put just a dash right here too. Just a dash, okay? And then today, the color that I'm going to use, I'm going to go for, what am I going to go for today? Let's go for a little, this is called Pup. I'm going to go Pup all over my lid. 2 shadows, ladies. 2 shadows is so simple, especially as a mature woman or as a woman who's more of a natural personality. You put a lighter shade, typically just matte, on your lid, up past your crease. And if you have hooded eyes, then you want to carry more of that color past your crease. I don't really have hooded eyes, but if I did, I would carry it a little bit heavier here, okay? And then I'm going to take, again, just because I'm doing, I like to do two shadow, okay? I'm going to take this color called Lullaby. Lullaby, put that out in my corner. And then blend it in, okay? You can see how it just is the darker color in the corner, just blend it in then. Flip that brush back over. This is the eyeshadow brush from Saint. And then I can also take that Lullaby, if I wanted to, and just do a little smudge of that color underneath instead of just drawing a liner on. Okay, and then you can stop there if you wanted to. You could take a shimmer. It's fun to take a shimmer and just put lightly in the middle. So let's do that. Let's use this color here. I can't remember the name of that shade. Let me flip it over and tell you. It is called, oh my goodness, I'll post the color. I can't read it. Aries. Aries, it's called Aries. And just put a little dash right there in the middle, okay? So, really pretty, very pretty. And then, I'm gonna take that same fig, because it kind of matches my jacket. I'm going to blend this out. I love this little lip brush from Amazon. Okay, I didn't line or anything today. And if I wanted to, I could add just a little bit of lip oil over the top of that. Just to get a little bit of shimmer. I like that look. Okay, now I think my cheeks are still a little bit too dark. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend those out a little bit more. I'm going to take a makeup blender brush and just blend that out so it's not quite so dark, okay? And then let me finish with my brows. Okay, I love to take my contour from Saint, or you can take a powder, or if you have a favorite eyebrow pencil. But don't forget your brows, because they frame your face. And look at the difference here, okay? I've still got a lot of brow, but look at how that just really finishes and completes, really just frames your beautiful eyes. And your eyes are such an expression of you. So, okay, here's my issue with brows. So look, see how this one's higher? It's one of the reasons I kind of changed my part, but lately I just changed my part again so this would cover that side, kind of camouflage it. Okay. Okay, so that's my look today. I'm going to finish off here with some setting spray. This clean, cruelty-free, vegan setting spray from Wiemann is marvelous. Comes out super, super subtly. Sets your makeup. Okay. I am ready to go today. Hopefully that was helpful. Just comment if you need suggestions, if you need help. But it's two shadows, although I added a little shimmer today. Put on my glasses, and I am ready to go with kind of a mix between Saint and Wiemann makeup. Reach out if you need questions, if you have questions, if you need help.